Sandalwood star Darshan is concerned. In fact, remember, the Kannada superstar Darshan is jailed at the moment, and biryani at a police station has raised eyebrows, and cops take biryani inside the police station. In fact, as far as the allegation is concerned, the cops have refuted the biryani dinner for the accused actor. Cops claim a biryani feast for themselves, and police say accused was served plain rice and sambar. Deepak, my colleague, joins me for more. Deepak, clearly this is raising speculation of VIP treatment.
Well, absolutely. Whenever you have, a high-profile case and also a popular individual, of course, who's taken into custody, the first question that comes up is whether he'll be treated at par with any other, person who's taken into custody. And this is actor Darshan that we're talking about. Everyone in Karnataka and in different parts of the country, of course, know the kind of popularity that he has. After he was sent to police custody for 6 days yesterday by, the judge here in Bengaluru, last night, we saw two individuals take two huge packets, and when they were asked about what it was, they themselves say that it was from a popular biryani franchise in Bengaluru, and it's being taken inside. And you can clearly see, a huge stash of food that's being taken inside, and they talk about the biryani that's in it. Whether this was meant for the accused, totally, of course, 13 of them, and right now in custody, including Darshan and Pavitra Gowda, that's the question that really comes up. As far as unofficially, police, of course, have not commented on it officially yet. Unofficially, they maintain that they were not given the biryani. This was for the team, of course, that has been working from the police department. And as far as the accused is concerned, they were just given, regular food, plain rice and sambar.
Right, Deepak. Thank you very much for getting us those details and, more importantly, telling us how this could speculate VIP treatment. But for the moment, let's leave it at that. We're shifting our focus to political news that we're tracking from Maharashtra. Now, after a victorious performance in the recently concluded Lok Sabha polls, fissures seem to be emerging